The document outlines a series of phases in this exploration of consciousness and the nature of reality. Phase A begins by using the hemisync tapes in order to achieve enhanced brain focus and hemispheric synchronization. Phase B adds strong REM sleep frequencies to induce left brain quiescence and deep physical relaxation. Phase C provides hypnotic suggestions designed to enable individuals to induce deep auto-hypnotic states at will. Phase D use auto-hypnotic suggestions to attain much enhanced focus of concentration and motivation in rapidly progressing through Focus 12 exercises. I'll link a video here on the focus levels. Phase E, repeat steps A and B following the use of auto-hypnotic suggestions that out-of-body movement will occur and be remembered. Phase F, repeat Phase E to achieve the ability to gain out-of-body states under conscious control. Alter hypnotic suggestions to stress the ability to consciously control out-of-body movement and maintain it even after the REM sleep state ends. Phase G, approach Focus 15 and 21 objectives. Escaping from time-space to interact with new dimensions from the out-of-body perspective. Phase H, use a multi-focus approach to solve the problem of distortion in terrestrial information gathering trips. This approach involves the use of 3 individuals in the out-of-body state, each viewing the target object from different temporal perspectives. Phase I, encourage full self-knowledge and the removal of personal energy blockages that may hinder rapid progress. Phase J, be intellectually prepared to react to possible encounters with intelligent, non-corporeal energy forms when time-space boundaries are exceeded. Phase K, arrange groups of people in Focus 12 states to unite their altered consciousness to build holographic patterns around sensitive areas to repulse possible uninvited out-of-body presences. In Phase L, encourage advanced gateway participants to build holographic patterns of successful attainment and rapid progress for advanced colleagues to assist them in progressing through the gateway system. Let's talk about implications made here. This document suggests that by exploring altered states of consciousness and the realms beyond ordinary perception, we may gain valuable insights into the nature of reality and our place within it. This pursuit extends beyond the conventional boundaries of science and spirituality, inviting us to question the limits of human potential. In our exploration of the absolute in the toroidal universe, we find a profound connection between the realms of science, spirituality, and consciousness. This connection highlights the human quest to unlock the mysteries of existence and to transcend the limitations of our understanding. Whether through ancient religious texts, the gateway experience, or the emerging paradigms of science, the search for the absolute remains a timeless and universal endeavor that unites humanity in its quest for ultimate truth. As we contemplate these concepts, we are reminded of the infinite potential of the human spirit to seek, discover, and connect with the profound mysteries that surround us. With this exploration behind us, I figured it suitable to close with the gateway affirmation. I am more than my physical body. Because I am more than physical matter, I can perceive that which is greater than the physical world. Therefore, I deeply desire to expand, to experience, to know, to understand, to control, and to use such greater energies and energy systems as may be beneficial and constructive to me and to those who follow me. Also, I deeply desire the help and cooperation, the assistance, the understanding of those individuals whose wisdom, development, and experience are equal to or greater than my own. I ask for their guidance and protection from any influence or any source. that might provide me with less than my stated desires. Human fluence out.